कपड़ों से पता चल सकता है। मैंने स्कार्फ ऑफ डाला हुआ है, like 5-6 layers.
And inside, I'm still wearing my jacket.
So we are sitting, इसलिए हमारे मास्क ऑफ है। लेकिन सबसे पहले नमस्ते अगेन, एंड मैं हूँ वंशिका, मेरे साथ हैं
Billy D.
टोले वाले डीजे टोली दी। एंड यू मस्ट हैव सीन अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ दिस बैकग्राउंड हियर कि हम कहाँ पे हैं, थोड़ा बहुत आपको आइडिया आ गया होगा। सो यस, वी आर एट महाराजा भोग and we are so happy to be back, like what, after 6 months?
6 months, yeah.
Right?
I think we came in about August, I believe. 20,
याद है
2020.
अगर आपको, हमने यहाँ पे आके किचन में जाके गरम गरम जलेबियाँ खाई थी। So today we are back with more food and more stuff that happens at Maharaja Bhog. This is located at 8338 Southwest Freeway. अगर आप डायरेक्शंस देखें तो 59, right?
Yeah,
Just
it's
south-
59 in Gessner.
Gessner.
The big Best Buy is across the street, and you can't miss it. Right when you exit, whether you're going south or north,
That's
you'll
right.
definitely see it.
That's right. So yes, Maharaja Bhog, हम इसके बारे में बहुत बातें करते हैं। Wherever I go to events, I see a lot of catering. So we'll talk about everything today. But to start with, Sandeep, you wanna show them what we have?
Right. The show here now we have.
So this is first the थाली, जो यहाँ पे आप आके डाइन इन कर सकते हैं। You can see when we came in, हमारे temperatures check किए। There's a sanitizing station over there. Every table has a sanitizer, and everybody over here, the staff is wearing mask, so with gloves. तो सबसे पहले आप आके यहाँ पे डाइन इन में खा सकते हैं। बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं। Every day there's a different menu, right? That's
Yes.
what we've been talking about.
Different menu every day, yes.
आप मंडे आओ अलग, ट्यूसडे आओ अलग, वेंसडे, सातों दिन आप आ सकते हो लंच पे और आपको अलग चीज़ें मिलेंगी। सो दिस इज़ फॉर डाइनिंग, जो हम आते रहते हैं और आप लोग भी आते रहते हैं। थैंक यू टू एवरीबडी, बिकॉज आई नो यू ऑल हैव कम फॉरवर्ड एंड सपोर्टेड महाराजा भोग। बट टुडे आई ऑल्सो वांटेड टू शो यू द थाली टू गो। अगर आप बैठ के नहीं खा सकते तो ये थाली, ये पूरी फुल थाली टू गो पे आप ले जा सकते हैं। And it has 2 appetizers, it has 4 vegetables, it has दाल, कड़ी, 2 different तरीके की breads हैं, desserts हैं, पूरी चीज़, and आप पेट भर के खा सकते हैं। And we have something more also here.
This is the meal box.
And this is the meal box. And सबसे पहले तो नमस्ते भगवान जी।
Namaste. Hi guys, how are you?
भगवान जी महाराजा भोग के करता धरता है, हम सब जानते हैं। एंड भगवान जी, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीज टू?
Okay, the difference between these two, when you take the full thali, it just symbolizes the full thali that we serve you here.
ओके,
Like the same thing, comes with 4 vegetables, 2 dal, 1 curry, 2 desserts, rice, khichdi, 2 types of bread. Like so, this is unlimited, but this is too good.
टू गो, यस।
Exactly, and plus it comes with ketchup, mouth freshener, papad, everything.
बेसिकली अगर वो लोग अभी यहाँ अभी भी बैठ के नहीं खाना चाहते हैं, इतना सारा
to go.
खाना आप टू गो पे भी दे रहे हैं।
Exactly.
वंडरफुल।
Absolutely, and then we have the smaller version as well, which is the meal box.
So that's the meal box,
Yes.
and I have had that so many
We had
times.
this,
Yes,
yes.
आप हमेशा इंडिया हाउस
Yes,
में भी
yes,
भिजवाते हैं।
exactly, yes.
ट्रस्ट मी, ये एक जन के लिए बहुत खाना
Yep,
है,
yep.
तो आप आराम से खा सकते हैं।
Aram se see 2 vegetables, 1 dal, 1 dessert, rice, 5 rotis, 2 appetizers.
और पापड़ भी मिलता है,
बिल्कुल।
चटनी, अचार सब है।
Yeah, chutney we don't put it because the food is hot, tends to get it bad. So
Right.
just don't want to take any chances.
एंड दे आर गिविंग यू इवन द
Yep.
स्पून एंड एवरीथिंग, तो आप
Plastic,
गाड़ी में भी
right.
बैठे बैठे खा सकते हैं।
Bilkul, except for plate.
ये बहुत अच्छी प्लेट है। एंड
Yep.
लुक एट दीस बॉक्सेस, बहुत अच्छे से आप लोगों ने बनाए हैं।
Yes, indeed.
लुक एट दिस थाली इन अ बॉक्स। सो एंड आजकल हम देखते हैं, बिकॉज जब से कोविड हुआ है, लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव रन ड्राइव थ्रू
Oh,
इवेंट्स,
yes, yes, yes.
या फिर इवन इन जब साथ में मिलके भी, तो ऑल यू कैन डू इज पैक दिस एंड
The good part is, people doing birthday parties, if they're not getting along or like not getting a get together, just like you drive by what you just mentioned right now, these things are flying.
एंड यू कैन जस्ट पैक इट एंड वो अपने हाथ से
That's
उठा
it.
के
बिल्कुल, वो लोग एक एक को दे देते, no problem.
वंडरफुल वंडरफुल वंडरफुल, दिस इज ब्यूटीफुल एंड
Yeah.
आपने आप बता रहे हैं कि कुछ और आप आज दिखाना
Yeah,
चाहेंगे?
yeah. I'm getting you some more appetizers and everything.
वंडरफुल।
All seasonal things we are going to do today. Okay.
आज स्पेशली आप सबके लिए भगवान
Yes.
जी ने बहुत कुछ बनवाया है ताकि आपको दिखा सके कि क्या क्या और ऑप्शंस हैं केटरिंग में या जब आप यहाँ पे भी आते हैं।
Okay. I'll just get it out of the way.
So again, the full thali, the full to-go thali has 2 appetizers, 4 vegetables, दाल होती है, कड़ी होती है, 2 तरीके की ब्रेड्स होती हैं, रोटी, पूरी एंड राइस होते हैं एंड आई थिंक 5 रोटी होती है।
Yeah, 5 rotis and if we have puris, we have 5 puris. As a matter of fact, today आज Thursday है, तो आपको पता है मेन्यू तो रोज बदलता है, तो रोटी भी बदलती है, तो today we have puran puri.
वाव,
So we give 3 puran puris.
वंडरफुल। सो आज अगर आप लेके जाएंगे तो आपको 3 पूरन पोली मिलेगी। नाउ आई नो, संदीप तुम्हें पता है पूरन पोली क्या होती है?
I have no idea.
So you will find out what it is. But I have eaten puran poli a lot since childhood. और बहुत ही डिलीशियस चीज़ है, बहुत ही ऑथेंटिक इंडियन डिश है। महाराष्ट्र गुजरात साइड में ज़्यादा खाई जाती है। सो वील ईट इट टुडे एंड आई शो इट टू यू। एंड कमिंग बैक टू द थाली, ऑफ कोर्स जैसे मैं बोल रही थी, उसमें डिज़र्ट भी होती है, उसमें अचार होता है, पापड़ होता है। सो प्रीटी मच अगर आप यहाँ पे बैठ के नहीं खाना चाहते हैं लेके जाइए एंड you can always contact Bhagwan ji at Maharaja Bhog for all the details and he will definitely help you get this. So what do we have here? अगर हम टेबल में देखें, so आपकी प्लेट के अलावा भी यहाँ पे अचार और सब रखा हुआ है। How much do you like अचार, Sandeep?
Actually, I haven't tried it much.
अचार?
I eat more chutneys.
So you don't like pickle?
No, I don't. Actually, pickle like mixed with something, not
So
by
like
itself.
दाल चावल and pickle, right?
Yeah, it has to be mixed.
वैसे ही तो खाते हैं ना, दाल चावल और फिर pickle।
Yeah, it has to be mixed.
Yes.
But achar is very popular though. I see even in movies they show that people eat with
I
achar.
think हम एक इंडिया में कहावत थी बट आई डोंट नो प्रॉपर्ली कि दाल और रोटी के कुछ साथी होते हैं, अचार, पापड़, प्याज,
Yeah.
something like that.
Yeah.
So yeah.
This is something वो क्या बोलते हैं? It's made out of millet or we call it the bajra, right?
बाजरा,
Exactly. So this one is called bajra khichu.
बाजरा खींचू।
Khichu.
Okay.
Okay. And this is a winter special.
Oh wow.
Winter
That's winter special. Yes, exactly.
बॉडी में
Because
बेसिकली गर्मी लाता है।
absolutely, absolutely. Yeah, and it helps. It's very good for the health also.
Yeah.
Exactly. So try this. Have it with the spoon. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Okay.
I'll put some for Sandeep
No
and
worries.
so बाजरा खींचू।
Bajra khichu.
और ये कहाँ की डिश है?
ये अपने राजस्थानी आइटम है.
राजस्थानी आइटम।
And this is ये बाजरे की भी बनती है, राइस की भी बनती है, मूंग दाल की भी बनती है.
ओके।
Yeah.
और इसके ऊपर आपने ये
This is the masala.
मसाला है। So ये पहला आइटम है जो विंटर स्पेशल है। You can always come here and try this.
Again, but make sure you mention seasonal है.
Yes, yes, absolutely. और यही बात अच्छी है महाराजा भोग की, एज अ सीजन जो चीज़ फ्रेश है, जो वेजिटेबल फ्रेश है, दे विल मेक इट फॉर यू। सो आप जब भी आएंगे, उसीलिए मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ आपको सेम चीज़ नहीं मिलेगी, हर बार अलग अलग चीज़ें खाने को मिलेंगी। आइए। यस, हाय चारू, हाय श्रद्धा।
I'm eating without you, Shraddha.
बाजरा
You're
खींचू।
missing out. This is good.
बाजरा खींचू। और आज भगवान जी ने यहाँ पे जो महाराज जी हैं उन सब ने मिलके स्पेशल ये चीज़ें बनाई हैं सो दैट वी कैन शो इट टू ऑल कि क्या क्या अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें एज पर द सीजन आती हैं एंड दिस इज़ रियली डिलिशियस एंड आई लव द मसाला ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट।
Show you can make them more jealous. Let's make them more jealous.
It is so good. I'll be honest, this is the first time I've had this. I mean,
Me too.
बाजरे की रोटी खाई है मैंने, तो यहीं पे खाई है महाराजा भोग
Me
में।
too.
But this is
I want more.
amazing.
I want more. Actually.
See, ये आप सबको जला रहा है। This is very good, guys. You have no idea what you all are missing out on. And and if you really don't want to miss this, and so definitely come here and try this. The masala on top of it is amazing. Sandeep, don't be shy, you can take more.
No.
I'm like, let me show people. Am I, is this the correct? Yeah. ये देखो, ये इतना टेस्टी है कि इस बंदे से खाना रुका नहीं जा रहा है. And that's the kitchen, guys. Everybody, that's the kitchen. वो वहाँ पे महाराज जी हैं जो हेलो कर रहे हैं. And सब लोग बहुत मेहनत से यहाँ पे काम करते हैं. So definitely come forward and support Maharaja Bhog. And we are waiting for our next special while DJ Dolly Deep is eating.
What can I do? I was eating away. It's almost gone. It's gonna be empty pretty soon.
Sandeep has finished it. I am really impressed. Oh wow, we have more stuff.
Okay. This is the paneer conti.
Oh wow, this looks amazing. Paneer and corn tikki. Wow. Sandeep में ले रहे हो.
This is like a fried appetizer.
Yes.
Good for your bites and all,
Look at this. That's paneer and अंदर पूरा corn है.
Yep.
And of course, हम दोनों में कोई शर्म नहीं है तो we'll do double dipping. It's
Take
okay.
no problem. It's all yours.
And
Of course, I'm gonna dig into.
delicious. So we've had bajra khichu, we've had paneer corn tikki now, and I tried it with this tikki chutney. Now I'm gonna try it with the meathi chutney. Oh, I think I like it more with the meathi chutney.
He's going to put some, Sam is going to put some sauces for you, so that when other items come, you can have it in the third. Okay?
Absolutely.
No worries.
Thank you.
If
And
you
see,
want
हमारी-
salad, yeah.
हमारी थाली डालना शुरू हो गया है. This is the meathi chutney.
Yeah, tamarind.
Tamarind.
Imli, that's the cilantro.
Wow.
That's the salad. Onions, if you like it, you can have
I
it.
like onions.
Okay. You want the same thing?
Oh yeah, sure.
And one thing good about the mask is, आपने onion खाया भी है और आप किसी को भी आजकल मिलते हैं तो पता भी नहीं चलता है. That was my tip. Sandeep, go ahead. You can have the
No,
second
I'm
corn
having
tikki.
more of this. You can.
Okay, then I'm going for this. Guys, it's very good. Okay. And मैं अभी ये मेरी मीठी चटनी के साथ खा रही हूँ.
So I'm going for more of this.
You can have all of it.
Oh, I can have all of it. Awesome. Why, thank you.
So bajra is like available very easily in India, and even पहले होता था ना.
Okay, this is one of the very special of its kind. I take this one.
Oh wow,
This is called pakiza.
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 क्या
is
बात
made
है,
out-
बड़े बॉलीवुड नाम है.
This is made out of dates, kajur,
हाँ.
paneer, and potato and everything. It's all mixed together. It's like a very royal spring roll, you can call it.
Wow, और ये?
Yeah, that's the sauce which goes with it. It's a little spicy chili sauce.
Oh, so इसमें खजूर है, पनीर
Paneer
है.
hai, potato hai, and all the mixing. Yeah.
So that is a very good appetizer for your upcoming party, and I love the name pakiza. और उसके साथ ये spicy चटनी है. Look at this. मुझे इसमें से बहुत अच्छी लहसुन की खुशबू आ रही है. बहुत ही अच्छी लहसुन की खुशबू है. And I'm gonna just dig in, guys, and just try this. Oh, it's nice and crispy outside. इसमें बहुत अच्छी लहसुन की खुशबू है. Wow. You want me to put some chutney for
Yeah, let me try that.
Got it?
you? Yeah. See, ऐसे ही होता है. आप महाराजा भोग आओ और आपको भगवान जी हमेशा रॉयल ट्रीटमेंट देते हैं. I can see all, look at all this minced paneer in it, little veggies. You can see all of this. And it's very nice, guys. If you really want to order it for your upcoming event, you can always contact Bhagwanji again. We will put the number, comments में and ऊपर description में of the video where you can call him directly. And I would love to have this as a part of my party. नमस्ते नमस्ते, मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हो? महाराज जी हैं, he is the chef of महाराजा भोग. इनके हाथों से बना हुआ स्वादिष्ट खाना हमें खाने को मिल रहा है और हमेशा मिलता है. और लास्ट टाइम इन्होंने हमारे लिए जलेबी भी बनाई थी. थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू.
It's almost gone.
This is called.
More.
This is the Mexican gogra.
मेक्सिकन
Gogra they call it gogra. It's
ये
very-
थोड़ा गुंजिया जैसे लगती है.
Exactly, it is. Yeah.
So ये लेकिन ये मीठी नहीं है जी.
No, nothing is. It's all.
All
They are not
savory.
sweet at all. No.
So Mexican gogra.
Gogra we call it.
Wow.
Yeah. It's filled with green peas and everything.
Wow. Okay, I'm gonna dig
Give it a
in
shot.
and
Yeah,
see
yes.
this. So if you can see, this looks like a गुंजिया and very deceiving. तो आप अपनी पार्टी में ये ज़रूर रखिए मेक्सिकन घुघरा. और कितनी खस्ता है. खस्ता मतलब आप समझते हैं, राइट? क्रिस्प.
Be careful, no? It's hot.
Oh wow. Look at
It's
that.
like वो Mexican क्या बोलते हैं इसके अंदर. We put all the Mexican like ingredients, you know. It can be
Spices
made
and
with
all.
green peas. It can be made with lilwa. Lot of ways it could be made.
So depending अगर जो भी आपके क्लाइंट आपको बोलते हैं
Yeah,
उस हिसाब
exactly.
से
Yeah,
आप.
we can ask him आपको green peas चाहिए. You want it the Mexican way, तो उस टाइप का सब वो मसाला वगैरह करके we will blend it.
So customize आप कर रहे हैं.
Absolutely.
Very nice, very nice. I didn't, and it's so surprising. हमें नहीं पता था इसके बारे में कि यहाँ बनता है.
Exactly.
So thank you so much.
No.
That, now
That's
we
why
know
I
about it.
told you this time you're coming. We have to do something. Not all the time. Like जो अभी trend चल रहा है वो हिसाब से.
Right.
So it's good. People should know.
Yes,
what are we doing?
absolutely.
Yeah,
And
that's-
people are knowing. They're
Yes.
watching us.
Exactly.
सब जल भी रहे हैं थोड़ा.
नहीं चलो.
लेकिन
कोई नहीं.
आप आओ.
आप मजे करो.
हम तो मजे कर रहे हैं. And Deep tried. It's really good. And Deep is like, oh my god, I'm already full.
I am full though.
So we've had ragi. मैं नाम भूल जाती हूँ guys. Ragi का. We've had the pakiza and we've had Mexican gugra. So which looks like a गुंजिया. ये आपके ऊपर है. आप ये स्पाइसी चटनी के साथ खाएं या फिर इसके साथ खाएं, जो रेगुलर मीठी चटनी है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स अगर आप बैठते हैं तो आपको छाछ मिलती है, जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है. आई नो बाहर कोल्ड वेदर है, बहुत ज़्यादा कोल्ड है, लेकिन मुझे फिर भी छाछ पसंद है. बट यस, वी विल हैव सम टी लेटर ऑन. एंड मुझे ऑलरेडी वहाँ पे एक चाय का स्टेशन दिख रहा है. सो अब जब भी महाराजा भोग आए, चाय ज़रूर पिए. उनकी चाय मसालेदार बहुत अच्छी है. और टू गो भी अगर लेके जाएं तो चाय साथ में लेके जाएं. Sandeep is busy eating, not saying a word.
Trying to be polite. Trying to be polite. Not
And Sandeep and me are going to the gym after this.
I have to do a double workout.
You went to the gym this morning, right?
I did go. It was very cold, but I have to go otherwise.
36 degrees.
Yeah. Your mom says, "Wow."
Hi. She's probably watching.
Yes. You come on. Tomorrow they have the we mentioned earlier about the two gold thalis. So they're located on 8338 Southwest Freeway, and like them on Facebook, Instagram, and definitely mention Namaste Radio once you come.
thought you said mention Anshika. Okay,
Mention her
always
too.
mention my name also.
Yeah. But we're gonna finish up eating,
I am actually
have some
very
tea,
full, but
and then
I'm
we'll go
still
home and take a
gonna
nap.
eat.
So
I'm going to continue eating. We're waiting on, I think, something that Bhagwan ji has put together more. So, जैसे जैसे आता जाएगा हम आपको दिखाते जाएंगे.
tasty, tasty. Yes.
It's like उसमें नहीं आते टेस्टिंग मेन्यू में पूरा शेफ
Yeah.
स्पेशल
Chef special.
एंड शादी के सीजन में मेरी तो शादी हो चुकी है, संदीप की बाकी है. संदीप तुम्हारी शादी की टेस्टिंग
फुल थाली इतनी फास्ट जाती.
वाओ
People, everybody,
गोइंग very fast.
full
That's-
thali, because they get everything.
Yes,
Meal box,
yes.
you don't get everything. And the good part is when you order a dinner thali, it comes with the special dish of the day. Like today, dal pakwan.
Okay.
But it's in the evening, not in the morning.
Okay.
But people tend to do it in the morning only. नहीं हमको तो अभी खाना है.
Got it. Absolutely. इतना सारा खाना लंच में खाना ज़्यादा better है.
I don't know. लंच में कि शाम के लिए भी रखते हैं.
That's true. That's true.
Yes. I think that was. She's like becoming cheesy. I've eaten a lot.
What?
Said how much we've been eating.
Yes.
Yeah, Raju,
जी जी जी.
you wanna have some more?
Oh, we are done. You wanna have some?
Oh no, I'm good. I'm already
Good.
full.
Yeah.
Just take it. Yeah, this one. Yeah. अभी it's coming. Ready
more.
to do undiyu and the puri.
Oh wow.
So give me a second. And then we'll get started with your.
उसके बाद थाली भी थाली है सभी. I think guys, if you're free, anybody come over and
Eat for us.
yeah, come join us because this is a lot of food. आइए और खाइए.
Yep.
You can try. Everybody has been this part. Sandeep is like rotating the camera all over. संदीप उनको चाय का स्टेशन दिखाते हैं ना.
Special that we are doing right now,
And what
which is the undiyu.
Undio and ये पूरी के साथ.
बिल्कुल.
So this is also winter special guys. तो undio तो आप सब जानते हैं.
Like,
काफी mixed.
It starts with when the Makar Sankranti comes.
जी जी.
They make it at that time.
हाँ.
Yeah, it's a very famous Gujarati item.
Wonderful. So
Yeah.
all the Gujaratis and non-Gujaratis out there, come on. Sandeep, do you want me to put some for you?
I'm full. I'm gonna leave it all for you.
You should try some.
But I will.
You can start.
These are all the specials that they've made today.
It is like this is made with what do you call it? The Japanese yam or the violet yam, and we have sweet potato. Yeah. Yes. Some more goodies for you.
Oh, okay. बस काफी है वैसे तो.
So mainly Japanese yam है, sweet potato है, lima beans है,
Okay.
pigeon peas है, everything is very healthy. थोड़ा सा sweet है.
हाँ बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है. गुजराती डिश है तो थोड़ी बहुत तो हुई.
बिल्कुल, yes, exactly.
Very nice. Undio. It's again a winter special. भगवान जी एक बार अपना नंबर दीजिए.
अपना restaurant का?
How they can contact you for catering.
Well, yeah, definitely. The restaurant phone number which is there, which is 713 771-2464, or they can contact me also. Mine is 281-466-7971. Or restaurant number will be the ideal one, at least you know.
We will definitely pin it up.
Pin it up, yeah, exactly, yeah. And catering is something which we are doing right now. I know due to the pandemic, but still people are.
I've seen so
Yeah,
many places.
yeah,
आप
a
कर
lot
रहे
of
हैं।
places.
अभी
Yeah,
दो-
yeah. Like
तीन
last
हफ्ते
weekend,
पहले-
like we did 3 to 4 of them, like for the marriages.
I think सबसे सुंदर होती है जब लाइव जलेबी बनती है।
I know वो जरा अभी थोड़ी टफ है, पर चल रहा है। जब मौका आता है वो भी करते हैं. It's not the case. It's not that. But
आपने
like,
इंडियन काउंसिल की अभी किया था।
अभी कर रहा है बिल्कुल. That was very nice. Yes, it turned out good.
लाइव जलेबी विद रबड़ी। That was
Yes,
really nice.
yes. The last moment where she said like मुझे रबड़ी भी चाहिए. I said okay, good, no worries, we can do it.
That's
It was a
the-
good combo.
That's the beauty. अब लास्ट मिनट में भी भगवान जी को तंग करेंगे तो वो
नहीं,
कर
नहीं,
देते हैं क्योंकि वो भगवान जी वो
एक
हर
दिन
चीज possible
एक दिन दे दो भाई, और कुछ नहीं. We are there for you. Okay, I'll send you the main course.
Okay.
Okay.
So guys, today we saw all the specials that they put together. आप अपने catering में खा सकते हैं, वो order कर सकते हैं for your parties. And also when you come here, you know every day there's different menu and you will find those appetizers. कभी आप आ जाएं, वो आज हमें special जो खाने को मिलेगा that is puran poli, and I'm waiting for this. So I'll wait for them to put it on my plate. And only then Deep and I will say bye to you before we start hogging our entire thali. Deep, are you awake?
I am awake. I'm just staring at all the good food.
You should try the undio. It is so good, so delicious, and like Bhagwan ji said, very healthy, very healthy. इसमें look at this, cashew भी है. And that's right, actually मकर संक्रांति के टाइम पे all my Gujarati friends make this undio. Oh, so now we have it's on a roll.
That's the one. This is the
Paneer.
paneer. Yep. That's the rajma.
Oh wow, I love rajma.
That's aloo jeera dry.
Wow.
And plus the fourth one is the only.
Only. Okay.
Okay.
Then that we have already.
Yes.
Yeah. Do you like rajma, sir?
Yeah.
What do you like more? Thank you. What do you like more, dal makhani or rajma?
Dal makhani. For sure.
You like dal makhani?
Punjabi, right? So,
But rajma is also very Punjabi.
Yeah, it is.
Actually, very North Indian, I feel. हमारे घर में तो हमेशा बनता ही था. And my mom used to make this my mom used to make dal makhani every Saturday. और महाराज जी लाए हैं
पूरन पोली.
पूरन पोली. इसके अंदर क्या है?
इसके अंदर दाल का मावा है. चने की दाल. चने की दाल का.
वाओ. एंड ऊपर ये पूरा घी है, राइट?
और घी और शुगर और इलायची.
वाओ. Look at this, guys. अभी मेरे चेहरे पे याद है एक जलेबी खा के कितनी खुशी हुई थी. This is heaven. दिख रहा है? And ये पूरा घी है.
Yes.
And don't worry about anything else. Just put your mind away when you come to Maharajampur. And it's मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. You have no idea how happy I am. And look at this. Wow. Wow. Look at this. गरम गरम पूरन पोली लाइफ में और क्या चाहिए? So ये आपके यहाँ हर Thursday.
Every Thursday. Go ahead. These are the dals, okay?
Yeah.
That's the spicy one. That's the curry. Rajasthani curry. Not sweet.
Yeah.
And this is the sweet dal. So,
Okay.
okay? Again, so the puran puri you can eat with the curry.
Curry.
It gets along good.
With the Rajasthani
Yes,
curry.
yes.
And पूरन पोली is I think west में पूरे बेल्ट
मतलब
में बनती है.
yeah,
महाराष्ट्र,
महाराष्ट्र
गुजरात,
भी है,
राजस्थान,
हैदराबाद भी है,
हाँ अच्छा,
everywhere. Oh, yes.
वो यार साउथ में
Yeah, they
उपिट्टू
call it a different
कर्नाटका में
name.
बोलते हैं, राइट राइट, आई रिमेम्बर.
They all have different names. Apna, our Maharashtra, I don't know the other states' name, but the Maharashtra side of Puran Puri is more famous. Yeah, they use different kind of dals also. Some make it in chane ki dal, different kind of dals also. Yeah, and they have a special, especially in how should I say, interior Maharashtra. When I went there long time back, they give a special kind of a dal with it. It's called amti.
आमटी, अच्छा, थोड़ी मीठी होती है.
Yes, it's sweet and sour, but it goes great with it.
Thank you so much,
No
Bhagwan ji,
worries.
for
एक
all of
रोटी आ
this.
रही है. Good, good. I'm
And,
really enjoying it.
And बहुत अच्छा है खाना as always. And this is the start.
Yes.
And of course every Thursday.
Every Thursday.
And कल का जैसे Wednesday का स्पेशल था दाल बाटी.
दाल बाटी.
दाल बाटी. And every day like that you have different specials.
Absolutely, बिल्कुल, absolutely.
Wonderful. So guys, महाराजा भोग कोई क्वेश्चन ही नहीं है, आपको आना है, जल्दी आना है. And again we'll pin the number of how you can reach Bhagwan ji or the restaurant here directly for ordering, for catering, and it is located for dine-in at the intersection of 59 and Southwest Street. Sandeep, try this Puran Poli.
I
This is
will.
something you have not had, I'm sure, before. And like he said, I'm dipping the Puran Poli in the Rajasthani curry. Wonderful. I'm a Puran Poli fan, guys. Sandeep, before we go, what do you want to say?
I want to say that these are all amazing, amazing items. Like he mentioned, every day is a different menu. So definitely come out to Maharaja Bhog, 8338 Southwest Freeway. And it's now time to eat some more.
Yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you to everybody at Maharaja Bhog, and thank you to everybody at Maharaja Bhog India also, Ashish ji, Pushkar ji, everybody, and of course Bhagwan ji यहाँ पे, taking care of the fort here. Oh, and that is garam garam roti. The roti. Hi, namaste.
Back again.
We are back is because कुछ सामने ऐसी चीज़ आई that we had to come back live, and this is a very special गाजर का हलवा. और जब सर्दी आती है तो हलवा जो घी में भुना हुआ होता है, घी में बना हुआ होता है, nothing like it. Wow. You know, you guys have to be here to get that smell. जो इसकी खुशबू है ना, बहुत अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है, एकदम देसी घी की. और ये हमें बताया गया है, ये है अंगूरी रबड़ी. And anguri for the angur shape, I guess, of the
Rasgullas.
the rasgulla. So anguri rabdi. Wow, look at the thickness of that rabdi. क्यों जाए हम इंडिया जब यहीं पे ये सब मिलता है.
Exactly.
But and I'll be honest, I have not had rabdi in a long time. But this is awesome. And मुझे हमेशा पता नहीं क्यों गाजर का हलवा और रबड़ी मिक्स करके खाने में बड़ा मज़ा आता है बचपन से. So shall I dig in?
You dig in. Enjoy.
डाइटिंग की बैंड बज गई, बट इट्स ओके. जब महाराजा को गाते हो तो डाइटिंग क्यों सोचते हो, हो जाएंगे पतले. So look at this. Wow. Just wow. Amazing, amazing. So अंगूरी रबड़ी, गाजर का हलवा, ये पूरा शायद एक दो शाम तक दीपर में ख़त्म कर लेंगे. Sarah, if you're watching, she should have been here today. So again, महाराजा भोग आइए, खाइए, या टूगो ले जाइए, या केटरिंग करवाइए. और हाँ, हमने तब तक चाय भी ऑर्डर कर ली, बहुत ही डिलीशियस, जैसे मैं बोल रही थी मसाला चाय है. एंड आई लाइक मीठा विद चाय, that's just me. I don't know how many people out there do that. Sandeep, what do you like more, the anguri rabdi or the
Rabdi.
the rabdi? ले ये तेरी,
Rabdi and this.
ले ये पूरा बोल तेरी.
Rabdi and my chai together.
So
He is about to be terminated.
So Sandeep and I enjoyed our afternoon here, and we are so thankful to everybody at Maharaja Bhog for treating us actually like royalty. I feel like a queen right now with all this food and with delicious food. And look at this dessert. ऐसा लग रहा है कि किसी शादी में आज हम आए हैं. तो आइए महाराजा भोग में खाइए. एंड द स्टाफ इज़ वेरी नाइस. भगवान जी आप सब जानते हैं, आप मिल चुके हैं हमारे वीडियो में. ही इज़ ऑलवेज there looking out
Yeah,
for.
come on down. We'll take good care of you guys.
Yes, absolutely. Now
Don't
you
worry
know.
about social distancing. It's all been maintained.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
absolutely.
Thank you, Vanshika.
Thank
Really
you,
appreciate you doing
Bhagwan
all
ji.
that.
Thank you so
I hope you
much.
enjoyed it.
We loved it. Loved it. Loved it. Thank you so much.